Good morning, Red Lions. How are you today? Hope you had a great weekend, an extra long weekend. Happy day after Memorial Day. So yeah, yesterday was Memorial Day, a day where we remember all the people who have lost their lives fighting for our country to give us our freedoms. So that's why we had yesterday off. We are almost at the end of May. What month is gonna be next? So January, February, March, April, May, June. June is next, and that's the end of our school year when we get to June. A couple weeks in June. Okay, so we have a few more videos, a few more weeks of videos, and then school's out for summer. All right, so we said it's May. What's the day of the week? This is tricky because yesterday, I usually do mine on Monday, but today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, because yesterday was a holiday. Today's Tuesday. What's this number? Good. The 26th. Let's say the whole date. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. So if today's Tuesday, what was yesterday? Good. Yesterday was Monday. What's tomorrow going to be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. What season is it? Good. It is spring. And what's the weather like outside today? Still cloudy. Yep. All right. Let's get started on our math. Okay, guys. This week we are going to talk about more, fewer, and the same. Okay? So, more is a bigger set, right? Fewer is a smaller set. And the same means equal. These are all words we talked about earlier in the year, so this should all be review. I just want to do a couple this week of review because there's one part of this objective we did not get to, which is from least to greatest and greatest to least, which we'll talk about another day this week. But I want to review it with more, fewer, and the same. So we're going to do a couple activities today. I'm going to start by sharing my screen. Can you see my pictures? All right. Ooh, I don't know what happened there. Okay. Okay. All right. So up here next to number 1, I've got how many cups? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many plates? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm comparing, trying to decide which one's more, fewer, or the same, I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to get my highlighter. I'm going to connect them. I think. Oops, did I unconnect it? Okay, good. All right, so look. So there, they have a match, and a match. Okay? Which one doesn't have a match? Yeah, this last plate doesn't have a match. So there's more plates than cups. Or I could say there are fewer cups than plates. Say it with me. There are more plates than cups. There are fewer cups than plates. So see how there's 4 is more than 3. So there's an extra plate, so that makes more. Because this one doesn't have a match for the next one, that means fewer, right? Let's look at number 2. Okay. We are going to first do what? Yeah, first draw a line from each pencil to each eraser. Okay. Which set has, listen to my words, which set has fewer? Fewer, that means less, smaller. Which set is fewer? The pencils or the erasers? Good. The erasers are fewer because look, there's an extra pencil sticking out here. So there's more pencils. So that means there's fewer erasers. Okay, good job. Let's look at number 3. First thing I need to do is I need to draw my lines. Okay. How many hats do I have? How many caps, like this kind, baseball hats? 2. Good. How many winter hats do I have? 5. Good. Which one has more? Which one's more? The baseball hats or the winter hats? Good. The baseball hats has more. Sorry, my mistake. Silly Miss Reisner. The winter hats has more. Because look, there's 1, 2, 3 without a match. So there's extra. So that means there's more. There are fewer baseball caps. Okay, let's connect the marbles for number 4. Listen to my question, very tricky. Which one has fewer? What? Neither? How do you know? They each have a match. So how would I describe number 4? There are the same. So these are the same. I'm going to write an S. Can I write an S? Same. Oops. It's hard to write with this. All right, I'm just going to leave my S. Same, right? They're equal. There's 2 marble stripes and 2 polka dots. Good job. All right. So now, I'm going to share, and we're going to do some IXL questions, all right? So we got to listen to the question. Which group has more? The dog bowls or the dogs? More. So you can draw imaginary lines. Yeah, the dog bowls has more. Good, because there's 3 dog bowls and only 2 dogs. All right, which group has more? The cowbells or the cows? So draw a line. Which one has more? Good, the cows. How many cows are there? 3 and only 1 cowbell. So there's more cows than cowbells. Good job. Which group has more? Straws or cups? This one doesn't have a partner. Yeah, there's more cups. Which group has more? Paint or paintbrushes? Good, there's more paint. Which group has more? Hats or snowmen? This one's kind of easy. You just gotta look at it and see all the hats and just a couple snowmen. So which one's more? Yeah, there's more hats. All right, listen to my vocabulary word, fewer. Which group has fewer? The shovels or the buckets? Yes, the shovels. Because how many shovels are there? 3. And how many pails or buckets? 4. So there's an extra bucket without a pail. So there's fewer shovels. Okay. Which group has more, dishes or spoons? Good. More dishes. Which group has more, paper or pencils? Good. Pencils. Which has more, squirrels or the acorns? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's more squirrels. Which has more, beach chairs or blankets? Good, beach chairs. Which has more, cups or lids? Yep, more cups, because there's only 3 lids and 4 cups. Let's do one more. Oh, I was hoping there would be a fewer one. All right, which one has more? Blue dots, right? Because there's 5 blue dots. This one doesn't have a partner. So there's more of him. Gotta try and find a few. All right, this will be our last one because it's the word fewer. It's one of, I think that one's a little harder than our more. Which one has fewer? So less, smaller. Good. The orange dots. All right. Good job today, guys. I am very proud of you. So that's something easy to practice at home. You can just pull out a couple things. You can grab something else, look in your hand. Which one has more? Which one has fewer? If they're the same, okay? It's an easy thing to practice at home. Look around your shoes. Which one has more? Who has more? Who has fewer? When you're driving down the road, I see more houses than I see cars, or I see fewer red cars than blue cars, things like that. Make a game out of it. Okay? All right, so the next time you see me, we will be talking about ordering sets from least to greatest or greatest to least. Okay? All right, guys. Miss you and I love you, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye.